Discover the top 5 animals known for their amazing acts of kindness and selflessness. Dolphins help injured pod members and other species in distress, showing their deep empathy. Elephants comfort and protect their herd, displaying remarkable compassion and social bonds. Chimpanzees share food and help each other in distress, showing strong social connections. Vampire bats share blood meals with others in need, ensuring their survival during hard times. Ants work together selflessly, risking their lives to protect and care for the colony. Which animal's kindness surprised you? Comment and subscribe for more amazing animal stories.